How much does it cost to replace an ADT battery?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to cover a very important and practical topic: replacing your ADT security system's battery. This is something that every ADT system owner should know how to do. Let's dive into the details, including the cost involved and the steps to perform the replacement.
What is the cost of an ADT replacement battery?
The cost of a replacement battery for your ADT security system can vary, but on average, you're looking at somewhere between $20 and $50. Keep in mind that this range is an estimate and the actual cost may vary based on the model of your ADT system and where you purchase the battery.
Where can I buy an ADT replacement battery?
Replacement batteries for ADT systems can be purchased from a variety of locations. Local electronics stores often carry them, and online marketplaces like Amazon are another great source. Remember to check the specific type of battery your system needs before making a purchase to ensure compatibility.
How to replace your ADT battery?
Replacing the battery in your ADT system is generally a straightforward process. 1. Turn off your system. It's crucial to ensure your system is off before attempting to replace the battery. 2. Open the battery compartment. This is typically located on the panel of your system. 3. Remove the old battery. Be sure to do this gently to avoid damaging any internal components. 4. Insert the new battery. Again, do this gently and make sure the battery is placed in the correct orientation. 5. Close the battery compartment and turn the system back on. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, you can always hire a professional to do it for you. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the cost and process of replacing your ADT battery. Remember, the key is to make sure you have the correct type of battery and to follow the replacement steps carefully. If in doubt, don't hesitate to call a professional. Until next time, stay safe and secure.